Hello guys, this is Hello123, so Math Mastermind 7. Today, let's just say, I'm finally home. Just look. I haven't even been in this house for nearly a month, but overall, here's some balut. I don't even eat those, but right here, we have a banana candy right here. They're like circus peanuts. So I'm going to microwave them. Just hope I tried recording this earlier, but there were ants all inside the microwave. Thank God. And I think I might have to check this audio first. Okay, I'll see you there. Good. Now let's watch it get microwaved. I think I might have to check. I think I might have to check how long I should keep a banana candy in there so the microwave doesn't burn. Everyone is asleep up the stairs. My brother, my mom, my dad. So I think I'm the only one awake. Alright. Okay, so I think I have to leave circus peanuts in the microwave. Actually, we're not using circus peanuts. The banana candy, of course. Speaking of which, I only got that banana candy in Guam. What my family has told me is that you can't get them anywhere else. Just Guam, they said. I think I might have to look for that plate again. 1 sec. How did I forget it was in the microwave? Alright, just gonna put this down right here. Gonna take this. Set this for 30 seconds. Is it in there? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Speaking of which, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, maybe subscribe too, because actually, yeah, I don't know if there's a reason, but I would appreciate it if you did. Whoa, wait, is it going bigger? Okay, one of them is going bigger, I swear to God. Oh my God. Oh my God! Yeah, that was a bad idea. I might have... Imagine if I actually eat this. Ew. Okay, maybe I shouldn't. Alright, fine. I'm gonna eat this out. I'm going to eat these 3 bananas with some whipped cream. This isn't even a banana split at all. It's just, what am I even doing? What am I even cooking? Hold on, get this chair back. Not to make a sound. Although I'm talking. Hello. These noise cancelling headphones actually work pretty good. Alright. Okay, so what you're seeing right now, it's just a roasted, microwaved candy bananas, and I'm gonna eat it. I wonder if I can cut it with the spoon. Oh yeah, I can. Oh my God. There's whipped cream over the back of the spoon. I can't even look at it one. This is disgusting. It looks like the insides of. I can't even tell. What's that smell? Ew. I think that's from the banana. It's so crunchy. Very crunchy. Ah, it burns taste. It hurts, kind of. I'm joking, it doesn't hurt, but it's sticking to my teeth. Bro, there's black sludge all over on the bottom of the plate. It's just too quiet in here. I might have to turn on the TV. I have to be very quiet. Can't be waking up my family. Turn that down. Jesus Christ. I thought that these bananas right here, right over here, I thought they would puff up like a circus peanut or peep. Because when I looked at the circus peanut, like, I saw like a video, in 30 seconds the circus peanut expanded, and turns out one of them did, the other two did not. And I think, yeah, they're still hard. The other two are hard. Only one of them are just puffed up, and I can't even remove the brown sludge on this plate. I might have to clean that plate up once I'm done. But I'm just gonna continue eating these bananas. It's so crunchy on the inside, but soft on the outside. Oh, now it's softening up because just because of the whipped cream. I can't even remove the brown sludge. Yeah, I think my parents are gonna kill me for this. I ruined the plate. What am I even doing with my candy? I don't even know why. Alright, so I think I can remove the brown sludge. I just gotta... Oh, there we go. Ew, ew. Okay, now see yellow. Why did I just eat that? Ew. Okay, yeah, so, this is what happens when you microwave the banana candy. Kind of like a circus peanut, because, honestly, I haven't even tried a circus peanut before. But, maybe I will for the first time soon, but... This is disgusting. So, if you did enjoy this video, can we just end this already? What am I doing?